Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. This video is supported by one of our viewer Solan. Thank you Solan for supporting this video. You have made a great donation for our organization. Thank you so much. If you want, you can also support us by purchasing thanks and super thanks. In this video, we are going to discuss about the great feature of Tech Freedom, which is TF Assistant. Now within TF, you can chat with your friend, and the friend will be an AI model, and this model is developed using NLP technology, which is natural language processing technology, which means you will get answers of your questions in natural language. In this video, we will show you with live demo. I have created some questions and I will ask some questions to this TF assistant in front of you, and let us see how it works. If you want to receive more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, choose all notifications. If you first time visit this channel, don't forget to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channel link given in the video description below. You can find the application download link in the video description as well as on our official Telegram and WhatsApp channel. You can also follow us on social media such as Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Now let's dive into the video. I have already opened the Tech Freedom application. Now let me find the TF Assistant.
App backup button. Assistant button.
Yes, the second option is Assistant. So let me open it.
Assistant.
Okay, so after opening the
Showing
assistant,
recently copied or
now
captured.
see
Send button. Disable editing list. Assistant. Back button. Assistant. List.
List,
Back. List. Editing. Message.
so
Edit box.
editing and then
Send button.
send
Disabled.
button.
Open features menu.
Open
Window
features.
board.
So the keyboard is already opened, and let me share, just send hi,
Capital H. I. Send button. Window
and I'm
assistant.
sending it.
TF assistant is writing. Keyboard hidden. TF assistant replied.
Okay, so it is replied. Let me listen the reply.
Stop recording. Send message. Assistant. Hello. How may I assist you today? Enlist.
Okay,
Message. Edit box.
now my first question I'm going to type as I
Showing
copied some
recently copied
questions.
or captured
So let
content
me
as
type it here.
Write a blog of 500 hacks.
So
Give
my
keyboard.
first question is,
Editing. Write a blog of 500 words on 10 cybersecurity tips for saving computer from hacks. Edit box.
okay,
Message.
so
Window
I
assistant.
want a blog of 500 words where it will share 10 tips of cybersecurity about computer hacks, which can help me to protect my computer.
Send button.
So let us send it and let's see how it performs.
TF assistant replied.
Okay, so let us check.
Assistant. Cybersecurity is a critical aspect of our digital lives, especially with the increasing number of cyber threats and hacks targeting individuals and businesses. In order to safeguard your computer and personal information from potential cyber attacks, it is important to follow certain cybersecurity tips. Here are 10 tips that can help you protect your computer from hacks. 1. Keep your software updated. Make sure to regularly update your operating system, antivirus software, and other programs to patch any security vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. 2. Use strong.
So you now understood, you now have the idea that it can able to give the result according to my requirement. Okay, now let's say I want to make lemon tea. I love to drink lemon tea. Now I don't know what is the process. Let me ask the same to TF Assistant.
Edit how to make lemon tea. Tea. Editing how to make
This is the
lemon tea.
prompt.
Edit box. Message. Window
Let me
assistant.
send it.
Send button. TF assistant is writing. Keyboard hidden. TF assistant replied.
So let us listen the reply.
Assistant. I'm sorry for the delay. Here is a recipe for making lemon tea. Ingredients. -1 cup of water. -1 black tea bag. -1 tablespoon of honey. -1 lemon. Fresh mint leaves. Optional. Instructions. 1. Boil 1 cup of water in a saucepan or kettle. 2. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, turn off the heat and add a black tea bag to the water. 3. Let the tea bag steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. 4. While the tea is steeping, cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup. 5. Add a tablespoon of honey to the lemon juice and mix well. 6. Once the tea has steeped, remove the tea bag and pour the hot tea into the cup with the lemon juice and honey mixture. 7. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. 8. You can add fresh mint leaves for extra flavor and garnish. 9. Your refreshing and soothing lemon tea is ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy your homemade lemon tea. Let me know if you need any more assistance. Enlist.
Okay, that's great. That's super. I can easily follow the instruction and I can prepare the lemon tea. By the way, how many of you love to drink lemon tea? Let me know into the comment section. Okay, moving to next. Okay, now suppose I want to write an email to my manager, but I am not good in English. I want to write the email. I can use other AI bots, but within TF, I can do it, and from my phone. So let us see how TF Assistant will help us in this. I am writing this prompt.
Write an email. 20. Editing. Write an email for me to my manager for leaving application. The mail should be in formal tone. I want to take leave from April 1st, 2024 to April 15th, 2024. Edit box. Message. Window Assistant.
Okay.
Send. Button.
So sending.
TF Assistant is writing.
And wait.
Keyboard hidden. TF Assistant replied.
Okay, let us check.
Assistant. Subject. Leave application for the period of April 1st, 2024 to April 15th, 2024. Dear manager's name, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to formally request for leave from work for the period of April 1st, 2024 to April 15th, 2024. During this time, I have some personal commitments that require my attention and presence. I have ensured that my current tasks and responsibilities are up to date and have briefed my colleagues on any pending work that may require their assistance during my absence.
So you understood that how clear it is, how formal it is. You just need to fill some details and then your letter will be ready. By the way, you can also generate more formal letter by writing a good prompt. That is a different topic. But yeah, TF Assistant will help you in this. You'll have an idea also. So if you're enjoying the video till now, please press the like button and share this video with your friends. Moving to the next one. Now, as we are using the TF Assistant, which is within the Tech Freedom application, let us check the knowledge of TF Assistant. Does the TF Assistant know about Tech Freedom? Let me ask.
What is the use of Tech application? Settings. Assistant. Send button.
And let me send it.
TF Assistant is writing. Keyboard hidden. TF Assistant replied.
Okay. Now, let us check.
Assistant. Tech Freedom is a versatile application that serves as a hub for various tech-related tasks and assistance. Users can utilize the Tech Freedom app for a wide range of purposes, including content writing and programming languages. The app is designed to provide comprehensive support and guidance to users in their tech-related endeavors. Whether you need help with content writing, programming languages, or any other tech-related task, the Tech Freedom app is there to assist you. The app's integrated TF Assistant is equipped to communicate in the user's language and provide detailed responses to queries. From writing a blog on cybersecurity tips to crafting emails for leave applications, the TF Assistant is capable of handling a diverse array of tasks. In essence, the Tech Freedom application acts as a virtual tech companion, offering guidance, support, and expertise in various tech-related domains. By leveraging the resources and capabilities of the app, users can enhance their tech skills, tackle challenges, and accomplish their tech-related goals with ease. Enlist.
Okay, so though the answer is generative and though the answer is very good, but still it should be more concise and some features should be mentioned here which is not there. Though it works good. So I'd like to request to the developers to improve, to look into the site and improve if possible. So moving to next. Okay, next we will ask who is the developer of this Tech Freedom application. Let us see.
Editing, message, edit box, out of list. Who made this tech app? Send. TF Assistant is writing. Keyboard hidden. TF Assistant group. Assistant. The Tech Freedom app was developed by a team of skilled and dedicated tech professionals who aim to create a comprehensive platform to assist users with various tech-related tasks. The exact individuals or organization behind the creation of the app may vary, but the collective effort of tech enthusiasts and experts led.
That's also a good answer. Now, we will ask two more questions and they will be more interesting, so please stay with us. And last, we will also show you one more important feature of this TF assistant, so please stay with us. Now next, we want to know about some psychology facts. So I'm very much interested about the psychology fact. So let me ask some psychology facts to this assistant.
Assistant, editing, message, edit box. Give me top 10 psychology people. Send. TF assistant is writing. Keyboard hidden.
Okay.
TF assistant. I'm sorry for the delay. Here are the top 10 psychology facts about blind people. 1.
Okay.
Blind individuals often have heightened senses of hearing, touch, and smell as a compensatory mechanism for their lack of vision. 2. Blind people can experience visual dreams despite never having seen images in real life. 3. Blind individuals may use echolocation, much like bats and dolphins, to navigate their surroundings by emitting sounds and listening to the echoes. 4. Blind people can have vivid mental imagery and memories based on their other senses, such as touch and sound. 5. Blind individuals may develop exceptional memory skills to compensate for the lack of visual cues for remembering information. 6. Blind people can
Okay, so we are getting so many 10 psychologists, not so many, 10 psychology facts about us. So that's really awesome. If you want to get the same, you can also use the TF assistant. So those who haven't downloaded the Tech Freedom application yet, please go and download now, because Tech Freedom application has crossed almost 30k downloads from in Google Play Store. So don't forget to join Tech Freedom. I mean download the Tech Freedom and use Tech Freedom and share your feedback into the comment section, because your feedback might directly reach to the Tech Freedom team. Okay, so next we will ask this assistant to write a poem for us. Let us see how to do that. So now I want a poem for you guys, and I will take help from TF assistant right now. So this is the prompt which I have written.
editing. Write a poem to thank you my subscribers. My YouTube channel name is V.I Tech Academy. The poem should have 8 illustrated lines. The channel is about tutorials for blind users. Edit box.
Okay.
Message. Send. Button.
So I'm sending it.
TF assistant is writing. Keyboard hidden.
Okay, that's great.
TF assistant replied.
Okay, it's replied. So let us check.
Assistant. I'm glad to have you as my subscribers on V.I Tech Academy, where we share tech adventures. Tutorials for blind users. A community so strong. Together we learn. Together we belong. Your support means the world to me. For your loyalty and love, I thank thee. Let's keep exploring. Let's keep learning on V.I Tech Academy, where knowledge is always burning. Enlist.
Okay, that's super. That's interesting poem. So this is how you can easily use the TF assistant for your daily purpose, daily work, and there are two, three more options, like 2-3 more actions you can use. Like you can copy, you can share, you can translate, either by double tapping on the result, or you can use the talkback actions menu. But somehow that is not working in my case, so I don't know what is the problem. So you have to try this, and please let me know in the comment section whether you are also facing the same issue. If you're facing the same issue, then we might reach to the developer and we will ask them to fix it as early as possible. So I hope you liked the TF assistant. If you do not use, please go and use and let us know your feedback in the comment section. If you want to join online course and earn certificate, so don't forget to visit our official website. We are conducting courses which you can take from home and also earn valid certificate. This course is only for Indian users currently. So if you're watching this video from India, just visit our website. The link is given in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, take care, and stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye bye.